What is up, everybody, and welcome back to DIY Do-It-Alls. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and today we're doing a craft kit review. The craft kit we're going to be reviewing today is the Resin Studio Mix and Pour Mobile. We're going to be rating this craft kit off of 3 different things: aesthetics, so how it looks; durability, so are the tools good; and user-friendly. So let's start with the aesthetics. This box is super eye-catching, and the designs on the sides are really cool, and it gives you a whole panel of what you can create and the tools. So let's pop this thing open and see what's really inside. So far, I'm really digging the aesthetics and durability of this craft kit. Instructions are fairly easy to understand, and I think it should be pretty easy. The next step is to prep our workspace. Okay, the workstation is all set up, and I even got some more pigments from a different kit that we have, hopefully to make this more colorful. I have never worked with resin before, so let's see how this goes. Okay, here we are going in with both equal amounts of part A and part B. Of course, the one at the beginning was A, and the yellowish one was B. Once this one was in, it was the hardener, so we had to work fast, so we're stirring it together for a few minutes. And now we're making the dye. So I did 3 different colors in the small one and had a little left over in the big one. So the red one, as you can see, that happened. That never actually got fully cleaned up. Skipped through the orange, and the yellow was not yellowing. I'm not sure what happened there. So now we're mixing them together. I tried to do a rainbow gradient. I think it turned out okay. It looked definitely better when it was wet, going in with the sprinkles, and now all the tiny little gibbets that will hang off of the big heart were really fun. Honestly, I think I like these ones better. Okay, all the molds are filled, and now we have to wait 24 hours. Okay, it's been 24 hours. Everything is hopefully cured. I did take this guy out just to make sure we wouldn't break anything and get the gist of it, but it's time to take them out. I will see you in 3 whole days. Welcome back. This is after 4 days of drying. These took literally forever to dry and solidify, but now we have to make it an actual hanging thing. Okay, this is what it looks like. It literally took maybe an hour to tie all these knots. But anyway, I think this looks pretty good. And the cool part about this is that you can make as many of these as you want. You can have all of these dangles be hearts or stars. You can have all of them be these tiny things. I think it's really cool that lets you customize them. It looks really good, and it was super fun to make, but some of the resin did crack. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do to fix that. But overall, it's a really good craft kit and turned out really good. This was so fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video can get 25 likes, then I'll do a part 2 with a whole other kit. And if you want to suggest a kit, go ahead in the description or the chat below.